Pretty much immediately upon moving into the house, I discovered that I was getting water in the basement when we'd get strong rain. It's a little bit of a shock when you buy a house and you discover a condition that was not apparent when you first looked at the property. I knew that, anything I put down there would eventually rot, and I needed to do something about that. So I needed a comprehensive solution. The first thing I got from Ayers was a package in the mail. It came very quickly. Had a book that explained all of the building science behind the waterproofing process. And I really appreciated being able to study that before I even talked to anyone from Ayers, so that I felt like I was on equal footing when we had that conversation. Ayers was just head and shoulders above the first one that I talked to, and at that point I was sold. Aaron's been real good about showing me each day how things are progressing, and really it's nice to see it all coming together. It's a lot brighter. It's less creepy in the basement when you've got nice clean walls, and the main impact that this is going to have for my house and what it means for me is that I will have a usable basement. So, a little further down the road, it might be nice to maybe have a home theater or an extra bedroom. There's a lot of possibilities, and knowing that the basement is going to be dry, it's actually worth spending some money down there, and knowing that whatever materials I install are not going to be exposed to dampness, and that it's going to be a big value added to the house, not just while I'm living here, but when I go to sell it as well. Ayers absolutely is the company who knows how to apply these systems. You're going to get a quality product that you don't have to worry about your basement anymore.